guys, so this is the beach where we was in there last night. The French know what's going on. Look, 1, 2, 3. There we go, look. There you go. Who is it? Orchestrated, guys. They know. That's what these got to fucking say. How you doing? Bonjour. Bonjour. What do you think? What's this? For the boats? Dinghies? I don't know. The problem is, guys, when these are out there, they can't do anything. All they do is tow them to 12 miles and they clip them onto our lot, and our lot bring them into the Dover, you know where the hovercraft used to be? It's turned into a hospital. And that is where they look after them for 2 or 3 days. The camp's been emptied. All the supplies were given out. Life vests. So yeah, basically all these boats, they're all rescue boats and they're all going out to sea now. They've not been out for over 2 weeks and now they're all going out there today, and it's all part of the operation. What they're doing is there's police on every corner, every bridge, as Danny's just said. There's all the NGOs have given them all the supplies. They've given them all the supplies, and then each one of these boats has got a name. So we've got a vessel app in tracker app, and where they're from. They spread, yeah, they are. I think they're spreading the migrants out all the way along. Hang on, grab this. The police turned up. No, Paul the Slope has got the thing inside. I don't know. And I feel like we're missing something. Oh, shit. That's what I'm thinking. Is that little black dinghy there? Zoom in on that. Oh, it's got my little thing in there. Oh, it's got the... Grab that. Grab that fishing round. Film this fucker. If they go left, that's a dinghy over there.
I think it might be. That's moving, that's a car.
Is that a car? That's that black car, Dan. That's that black car. We're on the wrong beach. Grab these. And look.